Google AdWords can make you a mozza of money when it's done properly. So in this video, I've got Megan, all the way from Seller Central Setup, coming in to show you all about optimization. And in this video, she's going to show you actually what is optimization. What are you actually optimizing? Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build and grow your own e-commerce business right here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. There is 6 more videos in this series and you don't want to miss any of them. If you've got any questions for either me or for Megan, comment below and we'll answer personally for you. With that being said, let's go.
So I'll jump right in. There's a lot you can do in terms of Google Ads optimization. So firstly, I'll just go over, what is optimization? You might have heard it, we talk about a lot in AOE, but what is it really? Like what are the types of things that you can do? So the first things that we can do, and I'll also say this before I get into it, if you're not currently running Google Ads, that's fine. A lot of the principles and strategies that I talk about today will also apply to Amazon PPC. So you'll definitely get something out of it. Don't worry about that. So going back, so optimization, what is it? So essentially, optimization is the process of looking at your campaign's performance and then making changes. So if you've seen my Inner Circle presentation or you've seen one of Neil's PPC, you know that setting up a campaign, it's not just a matter of setting it up and forgetting about it. Around 50% of the results you will find will come from setup alone. That other 50%, and in most oftentimes it's actually more than 50%, you will find that most of your results and performance is going to happen in that optimization phase. So what can we do? We can change keyword bids. We can look at adding or testing new keywords. We can pause existing keywords that we've already run and tested. Adding negative keywords. This is a really important aspect of optimizing that a lot of people just don't do. So I'm going to spend a bit of time on that tonight. We can also, with regards to running Google Ads and this type of ad, which is a search ad or text ad. So I'll just show you what that looks like. Let's just type in do pet supplies. So this is called a search ad or also text ad. So you can see it's primarily text. This is the main one that we set up when we're sending traffic to an Amazon listing. So primarily text. There is a fairly new feature. It's called image extensions, which I'll also cover tonight, where you can actually add an image to your text ad. So this is a really great update. So essentially what it means is you can have a picture of your product. So people can actually see your product before they click through to your ad. So when they click on the ad, that's when you pay. So by allowing us to add images, that means that the traffic that clicks through is going to be more relevant. It's another way to qualify the purchaser. So then they're not going to click on the ad if they don't like the look of the product. So you'll find that it will help you to more relevant traffic. So people only interested will click. These ads here, these are called shopping ads. So this is a more advanced campaign, and these ones you can use if you have your own Shopify website or like WordPress website. You need to have that will, with your own Shopify website, you're able to set up conversion tracking, which and a merchant feed, and that's where that will allow you to generate this type of ad. So again, this session will be more about optimizing the text ads. So just so you're aware. All right.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs right here in Australia. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also come and join us, because there's over 2,500 members here and growing. We're actually, believe it or not, the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs this side of Darwin. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. And by the way, we're making money too. $50 million last time I checked. Would you like a little piece of that? Of course you would. So get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs, link in the description below, .com.au. That's aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au.